Hi everyone, I'm Mahesh Jayaraman, acupressure therapist, health counselor and co-founder of Sepalika.com. I'm yet to meet a woman in my practice who hasn't gone through premenstrual syndrome or PMS at some point of time. In fact, when I do a thorough medical intake interview, when we get to the part about the periods, female patients who have cramps, bloating, headaches, breast tenderness, or mood swings and fatigue think it's perfectly normal for a woman to get all this before her periods and wonder why it's even relevant to her medical history. Most women have been told since puberty that having some of these symptoms a couple of days before their periods is completely normal. You try to get rest if it gets bad, and when it gets really bad, you pop in a painkiller or an antispasmodic pill. We're all taught to put it down to hormones, and that's not entirely wrong either. Every woman experiences big hormonal changes during every menstrual cycle. Several hormones, including the two big ones, which are estrogen and progesterone, wax and wane over a period cycle. Levels of these hormones can affect our moods, our food cravings, our digestion, and a lot more. But what no one tells us is that many times most PMS symptoms can be avoided by keeping another system, our lymphatic system, in great shape. The lymphatic system is the largest circulatory system in the entire body and drains all our waste. According to Ayurveda, during the menstrual cycle, a woman's body goes through a process of detoxification, and this is overall putting extra pressure on her lymphatic system. Most women experience swollen or tender breasts as part of their PMS. Have you ever wondered why? That's because the breasts are actually a concentration of lymphatic tissue. If the lymph is congested, then the tissues in the breast swell up and cause pain. Every woman knows how annoying it is to break out into acne during her periods. One big contributor to this are the lymphatic channels just below the skin on the face. If they are clogged before menstruation, instead of being able to drain out the impurities from the body, all the muck just gets backed up, resulting in these breakouts. Then there are the digestion issues that women battle with just before their cycle. It could be a runny tummy or getting constipated. The digestive tract has the highest concentration of lymph in our body. During menstruation, when the lymphatic channels in the abdominal area get clogged, your intestines can go haywire. What's more, this digestive disturbance can then trigger headaches and fatigue further down the line. So what should you do? Here are 5 tips for women who want to keep their lymphatic system in great shape to avoid PMS due to lymph congestion. Number 1. The herb Manjishta is Ayurveda's top choice when it comes to getting things moving in the lymphatic system. John Douillard, doctor of Ayurvedic medicine from Colorado, recommends 2 500 mg capsules with breakfast and before bed. Number 2. Make your diet more alkaline. Especially in the week before the periods, drop the dairy, the grains and the processed foods and increase your intake of veggies and fruit. This will help your body detox more easily. Number 3. Sip hot water throughout the day, starting at least 10 to 15 days before the period is due. Not boiling hot water, but at a bearable hot temperature. Hot water relaxes the muscles and blood vessels and helps all the fluids move more easily within the body. Number 4. If you can use a castor oil pack beginning 3-4 days before the period. It's easy to make. There are several YouTube videos on how to make it. You can apply it on the abdomen with a hot water bottle on top. This is great for women who feel abdominal cramps or digestion issues around the period onset. The castor oil gets absorbed through the skin into the lymphatic system in the abdomen and keeps things moving smoothly. Number 5. Stay active throughout the month with yoga or other exercises to keep your circulation going, but try not to schedule vigorous or exhaustive activities just around the period onset. Remember, nature has given women a natural advantage over men to get a thorough toxin cleanup naturally every month along with the period. Give your body to do this well so that you can stay in fantastic health for a lot longer. A word of caution, we're not saying that all PMS issues are just about the lymphatic system. Some women may have other more serious issues like polycystic ovaries or uterine fibroids that could contribute to the PMS pains. If you do, you should seek professional help. But if you're a woman who's ignored period pains and discomfort just because you thought they were normal, just try these tips to remove the lymphatic congestion. Your PMS could well become a thing of the past. Wish you all vibrant health and well-being.